Pearlstone is a 180-acre conference and retreat center and is part of the Chesapeake Bay watershed.
Our vision was for the Pearlstone Campus for Living Judaism to impact tens of thousands of people every year across all religions, all backgrounds, with hands-on, immersive, transformative experiences connected with sunsets and sunrises, forest and farm, streams and creeks, and holy living waters.
There are so many ways that people who come to meet us at Pearlstone at our retreat centers can learn more about sustainability.
Pearlstone is not only talking the talk, but it's walking the walk. It's both trying to educate people and it's practicing what it educates. The permaculture course, the stream restoration, the controlled burn, the organic gardening. These are all things that Pearlstone very much promotes, but also does.
It is just so exciting to see Pearlstone practicing sustainability principles in so many ways, be it with respect to water, with the stream restoration, with the air. Certainly the solar projects are helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions by producing renewable energy.
The vehicle charging stations and the solar hot water, solar electricity panels on the rooftops and the rain gardens in front of people's rooms.
Choices of shampoos and soaps, and so much of the food is certified organic, coming straight from our land.
There's a concept in Judaism called bal tashchit, don't waste. I mean, it sounds so obvious to talk about not wasting when you're talking about things that are precious. The world we live in is precious.
Sustainability is a key part of the organization's mission, its operations.
To have outdoor classrooms where thousands of people a year can come out, spend time planting and harvesting together, we're really constantly making decisions that not only are healthy for the ecosystem and enliven our Jewish values, but feel great for us.
We are building a community and relationship with the land and people around us at Pearlstone, where all can simplify and focus.
My experience of Pearlstone is that it's magical. For me, it's like going through the wardrobe in Narnia and coming into a world that is totally different from anything else I experience.
I have so many favorite spots here, so many cool things to explore, and I come here all the time and I still haven't stopped exploring it.
It's a setting totally different from where we live. Nourishing a connection with other humans and with the natural world is really important.
It's kind of a great way for humans to be able to connect with nature.
You can play and learn at the same time.
We welcome everyone to come out to Pearlstone and explore and learn and create in our year-round all ages programs. We really take living Judaism to heart.
This created world is such a gift, and for too long, we've ignored our responsibility to maintain it. So now's the time. Come to Pearlstone, learn about what's possible to do, and then go back and do it.
It's not enough for me to talk about it. You have to experience it yourself.